Hello guys, and welcome once again to this video. And in this particular video we will be rounding up the appearance because we've examined almost everything. So what is left is the background and the theme editor, and we don't really have much to do in this too, but I just want to show you what it looks like. Now I put in this background here because in most of the themes I work with it's always showing background, but I noticed that in this cadence it didn't show cadence. It didn't show background, rather it showed cadence. So I'll still take you through it and then we'll get to the theme editor. Let's see what we have in this course. This is our WordPress dashboard, and by now I believe you should be familiar with it. This is our appearance menu, and we are coming down all the way to cadence. This is where we are supposed to have that background, and what the background simply does is that it will take you to a place we've been before under customize, okay, where we change the background color and where you can also add background picture and all of that. So but in this particular case we don't have that. What we have here is cadence, so I'll click on it and let's see what it has to offer. So here we have a page and we have a lot of things to do here. And I think there's only one thing that I'm really interested in here, which is this starter template. But let me quickly show you a few things here. Here is written customize your site. So these are things we've gone through before when we were here, when we were under the customize, and you can see it here. All the links are still taking us back to customize. So if you want to set your global colors, let me open this in a new tab. Let's see where it's going to take us to. Alright, you can see it's still taking us to customize, and it's taking us to where we have been before. This is where we set that color, where we had the global palette, and I said you can change these colors from here, this set of colors from here. Alright, so let's not publish this. Let's go out of this place and head back to here. So you can see that everything here has been described and it's still taking you back to the customize menu. Alright, so having seen that, we have another one here, do more with cadence. This is their pro theme, okay. It's an add-on that you use to add pro features, that's professional features. These are like premium features, and you can see this padlock sign. It means you can't access it here, alright, until you pay them a certain amount of money. So if you get to their site, if you search for cadence if you just search for cadence pro theme using Google, then I'm sure it's gonna take you to their site where you can purchase the pro version. Alright, so I told you this is what I'm interested in. I'll click on this starter templates, and here you can see install cadence starter templates. Now starter templates is simply the templates that has been designed for you. So all what you need to do is to import it to your website, and then you just change a few things and you are good to go. Your website is ready. Okay, so this template it falls under plugins. So since we'll be doing plugin next, I think we should just go ahead and install this, or let's just leave it. When we get to plugins, we will manually type for this install cadence starter template and install it there. Right, so this is going to be important because it's going to save you a whole lot of time. Okay, sometimes you might just want to build a website and you don't want to go through all this stress of starting from scratch. You can just import this template and just begin to change a few things, and it will save you many hours of work. So let's head to the next one, the theme file editor, and I hope this will open fast. Okay, so look at what we have here. It says heads up. Okay, now I don't want to read all this. I've read it many times, but I advise you read it, because what it's just saying here is that if you don't have the technicality, don't go into this place, because you are going to destroy your website. Right, this is the coding part, and this is a strong warning. So it's telling you, if you know what you are doing, then click on I understand and go into it, so that when you make changes and then you run into trouble, you know that it's all up to you. So I'll advise you, as a beginner, please don't go into this place because you don't know what you are doing here. This is all about coding. This is the CSS codes of this WordPress. Alright, so I'll simply go back here, maybe in our advanced course. This is beginners to advanced, and the advanced we are just scratching the little bit. So by the time we do the main WordPress or website design advanced course, these are the things we are going to tackle. But then we know that you had some hands-on experience on this part, and then that you are ready for that. Okay, so with that, I think we have come to the end of this particular video. I told it's going to be a very short one, so see you in the next video.